All right, guys, I just ducked behind this this house here in this from the street. All the superheroes are going crazy. I don't know if they're chasing me or not, I don't know, but I've been working on a database to track them. All right, so I'm gonna send over a file giving you guys an idea of what it can do. You guys can expand on it from there, okay? I gotta get out of here, man. Things are going crazy behind me.
Good afternoon, everyone. I have created a database that allows us to keep track of heroes, what teams are on, where they belong, what missions they've gone on, the threat level of these things. Initially, I did this just because I was big fans. They were doing great things for people out in the world, but it seems that some of these superheroes they're starting to do nefarious things, that they're no longer helping people the way they used to. So I'm going to show you what I have for the database overall, and kind of show you what it can do, but it can be expanded for some of these other things. I never thought that I would have to use this database against some of my favorite superheroes that are out in this world. But I mean, here we go. I'm kind of give you an idea in the start of what is going on with my database. I have three main tables. I have the teams table, I have the superhero table, and the mission table. These three tables are the kind of core fundamentals of the database. The team table, stores team information like the name, headquarters, when it was founded, while the superhero table stores the hero's name, power level, what team they belong to, their real names, that they go by, right? These are very important things. And finally, we have the missions table. This keeps track of missions, location, the threat level, which hero completed them, and this is kind of the general idea or the general foundation of the database that I built. Each table has a primary key. I use foreign keys to connect them. So, for example, the team ID connects to the team, connects the team to the superhero, and the hero ID connects the superhero to the mission. Creating one-to-many relationships. So, some of the things that we can search for and use in the database belongs on. As you see here on the screen, I can run the search, and we see that Iron Man and Captain America belong to the Avengers, while Batman is to the Justice League. We can also figure out which teams have how many members at a given time, right? So we can see that the Avengers are 3 heroes deep currently in this database, while the X-Men only have 2, and the Guardians only have 1. Another one of the searches that you can do is to assess the threat level of a mission, right? There's many missions that happen, and there's a lot of superheroes that go around and fight. Here's some of the data that I found and compiled over the time. Save New York and Loki's Revenge. This data kind of gives you some of that information about what threat level these missions, how dangerous they were. So next up, for the core that you can search for, this database also allows you to list all the heroes with a power level above a certain number. So if I only care about power levels above 85, which is what I searched here, you can see that the database allows me to see who is above in that scenario. Overall, working on this database, it's taken me many months to learn just how to put the thing together. It's almost like speaking another language. It's not one of my first fortes, and I've learned a lot in terms of how to be as precise as I can be when creating tables to eliminate unnecessary data. The goal is to help you guys with everything that's going out there and how chaotic it's been. I hope this data can be used for good, and that's really what I want. So hopefully this video finds you guys safe. You guys share it, get it out to the people. We need to make sure that this database and the time I put into it can be used for others and to help them. Good luck, guys.